Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Right, let's have a look at this Leaving Cert question on Surds. Show that -1 plus root 3 over 1 plus root 3 simplifies to 2 minus root 3. And I'm sure I saw this on, or something similar on an exam question or a mock paper at some stage. Okay, in these ones, you're typically working with what's on the left and you're trying to show that the bit on the right is your answer. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, we have -1. Just make that a bit thicker. We have -1 plus root 3 over 1 plus root 3. Okay, so just like the rules we went through earlier, you have to multiply it by what we call the conjugate of the bottom, where we change the sign in the middle. Okay, and the reason we do that is because in Surds, you're not allowed to divide by an irrational number. So by multiplying it by the opposite sign here, only in the middle, so I didn't change the sign of the 1, we will force the Surds, which is the irrational part, to cancel. Okay, now what I do to the bottom, I must also do to the top. Why? Because any number over itself is effectively 1. So now I'm only multiplying that equation by 1. It doesn't look like it or feel like it, but the net effect mathematically is I am just multiplying that equation by 1. And you know when you multiply equation by 1, it doesn't actually change the equation. Okay, so I'm just writing it out in brackets as we normally would when we're multiplying. Okay, so split the first bracket and multiply it by everything in the second bracket. So I'll have -1 times everything in the second bracket plus root 3 by everything in the second bracket. I'm going to do the same for the bottom. I end up with 1 by everything in the second bracket plus root 3 by everything in the second bracket. Okay, so let's multiply that out now. I have -1 by 1 is -1. -1 by plus root 3 is plus root 3. Plus root 3 by 1 is plus root 3 again. Plus by minus is a minus. Root 3 by root 3 is 3. Remember, root 3 by root 3 is the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, you'll always get the number under the square root sign when both are the same. So that is over 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by minus root 3 is minus root 3. Plus root 3 by 1 is plus root 3. Plus by minus is a minus 3. Okay, so a couple of things. You have plus minus here on the bottom and you have the surds cancelling. That's exactly what should happen. And if that doesn't happen, you've made a mistake. Okay, the other thing, you can't just cancel the -3 and the -3 here. Sorry, these brackets are, if the top is is practically its own bracket, we just don't do it, and the bottom and the order of operations determines that we resolve the top first before we start cancelling anything. So how do I do that? Well, -1 minus 3 is -4. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3s. Okay, imagine there's a 1 in front of both of those root 3s. When you add them, you get 2 root 3s. And on the bottom, I have 1 minus 3 to give me -2. Okay, when you have two terms over a number, and this will happen in the complex numbers chapter as well when you get to it, you can write -4 over -2 plus 2 root 3 over the -2. Okay, minus over minus, 4 over 2, that gives me 2. And then here I have 2 over -2, and that gives me -1 root 3. Okay, which is the same, of course, as -2 root 3. So now you have proven or shown that this equation simplifies or reduces down to 2 minus root 3.
If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice? In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.